Hey guys, today we have a really important video because we're going to talk about how to keep your crypto safe. Let me explain. So first of all, right now the markets are pretty bearish, which means the volumes get lower, the liquidity is lower, and usually the crypto projects get desperate. Also, the investors get desperate. And this is the exact time where exchanges fail, when we have token lockups, we have hacks, and this is the perfect time to secure your crypto. But the same thing happens with the bullish market. We have more participants, more volume, more projects, and all of this money brings malicious players who are also after your crypto. That's why today we have an amazing sponsor, Ellipal. You can see their hardware wallets right here in my arms because I'm personally using their wallets to secure my crypto. So we're going to take a look at their products, how to use them, how to overall keep your crypto safe. And of course, you can find all the links in the description. But before we go deeper, of course, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. I don't recommend buying any tokens, and this video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. So let's get started. So first of all, I think let's jump into the Ellipal website to actually learn all the information, all the statistics, all the numbers, which are really impressive. And after that, we're going to check out all the different products they offer because they have cards, they have hardware wallets, they have this really cool seed phrase, safes or managers. So when we jump into the Ellipal's main page, you can see we have this big headline because they're really proud. They're the world's first air-gapped cold wallet, which is really impressive. Also, for the deal hunters, right now they have Black Friday deals. You can find all the links in the description. But what's really impressive is actually the user count. So they have over 1 million users. I'm one of the users. Also, my girlfriend is using the same wallet. They're protecting over $12 billion. They support 10,000 different tokens. So everyone on my channel will find their tokens on this wallet, and they have over 7 years of experience, which is a crazy amount in crypto because crypto is still pretty fresh. Also, fun fact, you can see they won Best Crypto Wallet of 2024 by Forbes. Again, really impressive award. But let's scroll down. So the first product is Ellipal card. And actually, I have it on my table. Basically, this card allows you to keep your crypto safe, and also you can use it on the go because you only have to carry this wallet and you can use it in your actual wallet. So let's jump into the products. Ellipal card. You can see how it all looks. You can buy these cards in one set or two sets. I actually prefer to buy them in two sets. You can leave one card at a safe or at some different home, and you can carry the other card in your wallet. But let me explain to you how it all works, because basically this card is like a confirmation for your wallet. It's actually you. And also they have a really amazing app. I will show you some app images next to me all the time. So first of all, it uses NFC technology to actually connect. It has 30-year lifespan. You can use their app on Android and also iPhones, iOS. They have NFTs. They have over 40 blockchains, 50 plus stable coins, and again, 10,000 tokens. If you scroll down, you can see how it actually looks. So for example, if I want to access my wallet and I have my wallet connected on the phone, I cannot access this wallet without tapping this card. So this brings another layer of safety. That's why I have two, because you can keep one somewhere in a closet, in a safe, with your parents, and one you just carry around if you want to do purchases or if you want to send crypto. Or if you're ultra safe, you can keep both of them locked somewhere and you can only use them when you're home and you're next to your wallet. And the next really cool thing about the product, and why I actually chose it in the beginning, because hardware wallets sound really complicated and they made it extremely easy. Again, they have this really intuitive wallet app. I have it on my phone. Next up, you can see it takes 1 to 3 minutes to set up. And they also have this really powerful and secure chip. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not an expert on these security chips, but I compare it to other products. But this is the leading security chip, and you can see it fits in this card. It's the same size, even I would say smaller than the credit card. Next up, we're going to the heavy duty. So the next product is the Ellipal Titan 2.0. In real life, it looks really impressive. You can see in my hand, it's pretty big. It's actually pretty heavy, but it has screen almost like a phone. And you can see you have different tokens. Again, it takes only a few minutes to set up. So first of all, you can import the wallet or you can create a new wallet. If you're creating a new wallet, as I did, you're getting your phrase. You have to write down your phrase. I will show you actually how to keep your phrase also safe. And then you can connect your app to your wallet. You just scan the QR code and that's it. Again, it takes only a few minutes to keep your crypto safe. And if you take a look at these prices, I think it's totally worth it to actually pay a few $100s to have all your future crypto safe. If you scroll down, you can see we have MetaMask support. They're supporting over 10,000 tokens. It's a touch screen, as I mentioned. It's almost like a phone. If you scroll down, again, it's air-gapped, which is, again, they're the first in the market to provide this kind of product. 100% offline, no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB or networks. You just scan the QR code, which I already did. Again, unlimited coin storage. Large 4-inch screen. I think it's even bigger. No, it's 4-inch. Looks bigger. It's user-friendly, which is the most important and the key thing when you're buying your first hardware wallet, to have it as user-friendly as possible. Because if it's too hard to use, of course, you'll not use it. There is no point to spend money. That's why after watching lots of reviews, I chose to also use this wallet. Next up, PIN and passphrase protection, secret secondary wallet, full metal sealed body, and PCI level self-destruction. What? If any tampering is detected, your private information will automatically delete it. Actually, that's cool. I didn't even know. I'll find out together with you. And you can see they have different packages together with this metal thing, which I also have on my table. And this is like really, really hardcore. Maybe you can hear it. It's like full metal with metal screws. So what is it? I think this is really cool. It's also pretty heavy. So let's go back to the products. This is Ellipal seed phrase steel. I would recommend it to use together with the Titan 2, because you can see they even sell it together. If you go to Titan 2, they have the package. You can buy it together with a card, or you can buy it together with the steel. So this is kind of like a steel protector for your seed phrase. You can see it's resistant to fire and water. Yeah, it's fully steel. It has the screws. So it's really a simple concept. You can unscrew these screws, and we have these letters. So you can actually get these letters. There's like each letter gets its own metal thing, and you can put in your seed phrase in the steel book. And the idea behind this product is you cannot keep your seed phrase safer than this because you cannot destroy it. Yeah, the letters are metal, steel. It's steel, it has screws, you can lock it like it's unbreakable. So again, really cool product. I think if you use these two products in tandem and you use this on the go, you're 100% doing everything to keep your crypto safe. And again, guys, don't forget, if you have any questions about what we're talking about today, you can join our free Discord, the link in the top comment and also description. And the last thing about the usability, they have really amazing app. I really like the app because it has all the features you need built in. It's like a wallet itself. So you can buy crypto, you can swap without the limits, you can manage multiple wallets inside, 40 plus blockchains, so everyone find all the tokens, 10,000 different crypto assets, 50 plus stable coins. I didn't even know that many exist. You can manage all your assets in one page. Pretty similar to MetaMask, except they have this layer of safety, and also can buy and sell crypto. You can swap your crypto. Yeah, as I mentioned, buy and sell crypto using Apple Pay, Google Pay, SEPA, Venmo, and more. And you can start from $50. And they also support lots of different local currencies. They have staking, so they have DeFi features. Also, you can discover lots of different NFT features, which I personally don't use, but maybe if the trend comes back, it could be really positive. We have the Market Watch. And again, it all works in combination with Titan, the hardware wallet, with the card, and also the steel machine where you keep your seed phrases. So guys, you can find all the links in the description. Don't forget, they're having a Black Friday deal. So if you want to purchase it with a big discount and start keeping your crypto safe, all the links in the description. Subscribe and see you next time.